Welcome back to another calculator tutorial video. It is your favorite math professor here, Dr. Tarcia Hubert. And in this video, I am going to show you how to graph exponential functions and how to look at the table and get the table of values for the graph, okay? So I'm going to just flip my screen over here to one of our homework problems or a sample exponential function problem. This one says if f of x equal 5 to the x, find f of 2. Okay, so we're going to use this graphing calculator to graph f of x equal 5 to the x. So I'm going to click on y equals here. I'm going to type in 5. I'm going to use this caret key here. That means the raised to a power. And it's going to be 5 to the x. So this is our exponential function. F of x equal 5 to the x. Remember, f of x is the same as y. Okay, and I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to go to graph. And this shows you the graph of f of x equal 5 to the x. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to second table. And as you can see, here is my table of values. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 5. When x is 2, y is 25. And so forth. Now, if I go back to this problem, it wants to know what is f of 2. So I will look at 2 on this table where x is. And that answer there would be 25. So if I was to enter in 25 here and click check answer, then you can see I got it right. So that is how you would use the graphing calculator to graph an exponential function and to evaluate the function at a specific x value. All right. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. Also, this graphing calculator, you can find it in my affiliate link on the screen right here. So if you need to get one of these calculators, then go ahead and get you one. It'll definitely be worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.